Welcome back to EaseLaw.in, your trusted partner for smart and easy legal drafting. Along with document generation, EaseLaw now brings you an amazing new feature: case management. Managing your cases is now simple and organized. Step 1. Visit EaseLaw.in on your browser. Step 2. Go to the Case Management section. Step 3. Add your case details like case number, client name, court, and next hearing date. Track case progress, and even set reminders for upcoming hearings, all in one place. No more messy files or missed dates. EaseLaw keeps everything in order. So start managing your cases smartly with EaseLaw.in, making law simple and efficient.